Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to blow dry your hair with a round brush blow dryer. Now I have the Drybar one, but you can use any one. You definitely don't have to spend around $200 on this type of product. I bought one that was $30 on Amazon and it works just as good, but this is definitely my favorite tool to use while blow drying your hair. Having a blow dryer in one hand and a brush in the other was always just too complicated for me, so this just makes everything so much simpler. So as you can see, I like to blow dry my hair a little wavy. I like to kind of dry away from my face so that it gives my hair a nice bouncy look. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I obviously just got out of the shower. My hair is wet. I kind of dried it a little bit with a towel. The first thing I usually do before I blow dry my hair is I will put in blow dry protectant. So I use this one by Broggio. So I'm going to put some of that in. I normally don't use that much. I'm going to use about this much. So I'm going to just put it between my fingers, work it into my hair, focusing at the bottom. You don't want to focus at the top. I just realized I don't have a mirror. Okay, so that's what I do first. Second, I'm going to comb through my hair. So I'm just going to find my natural part, which is right about there. And I'm just going to comb through. This is like a decently wide tooth comb. You don't want to comb through your hair with a brush because it damages your hair. Just doing that. Now I'll use this cream. This is the Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. And this just makes your hair really soft and silky. I'll use probably like a pea size. Do the same thing only on the ends. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer. This is gross because all of my hair is on it. It actually takes air in from the bottom and it'll shoot it out the sides of the brush. So when you're brushing down your hair, it's blow drying your hair. Actually, I lied. We're going to clip up our hair first. I like to do two big sections, top half and bottom half. So I usually go around my eyebrows and I just section it off like that. So now what I'll do is I'll take the brush, I'll go above my head. I kind of take the hair and I wrap it on my brush. And I'll just drag it down. And I'll keep doing that. You want to go away from your face and not towards. So I'm gonna go like this. I like to focus on the little pieces. Like, you see how I usually get a curl around my ear because my hair is so used to being tucked behind my ear. So I'm going to try to straighten that out with the blow dryer. I use the highest setting. Other side, and the way I do this side is I'll take the chunk of hair, I'll hold my brush in my right hand and I'll just lay it on the brush and again pull through. I'll also sometimes do a little twisting motion so that the hair stays below the blow dryer. To let down the top section of my hair and basically do the same thing. I'll show you certain tips and tricks that I do to give my hair a nice flip. Ow. So now you'll notice some waves that I don't want in the front section of my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull tight and just drag the brush through. So to give your hair a nice flip, you're going to basically do the same thing, except we're going to hold it a little longer and we're going to hold it like this. section of hair, since it is actually a bigger section, because I part my hair on this side, it's going to take a lot longer, so I'm actually going to section only the top half up. Last steps is I'll go in with some thick dry finishing spray, and I'll just spray some on my hair to give it a nice shine and slippery feel. Ooh. So for my last step, I'll take some hairspray and I'll kind of spray my flyaways down, because I always get some breakage at the top of my head and no one likes how that looks. So we're gonna spray those puppies down. I'll spray some on my hand and then I'll kind of go over the top so I don't spray too much hairspray on the top of my head and it'll make my roots look oily. So I like that you can control how much actually goes on your hair with your hand. You obviously have to wash your hand after this. Also, another trick I like to do is I'll run through my hair and hold it, and I'll spray some hairspray at the top to kind of make it stay. Add some volume. Do this to this side. And that's it. I don't go too crazy with the hairspray because that gets dangerous. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll be back with more videos.